Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into your Cox router step by step. So before logging in, you need to make sure that your phone, your laptop or your computer is connected to the Cox Wi-Fi network, either wirelessly or via an Ethernet cable. After doing so, you just have to simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for 192.168.01 IP address and then simply hit enter. Now, most of the Cox panoramic Wi-Fi routers use this particular address for local router access, and this should open the Cox router admin login page. Now, on many of the Cox router, especially after the factory reset, the default login details are your username and your password. So you just have to simply provide those login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account, you will be able to get access to a bunch of different things like status, connection, wireless security, application and diagnostic and much more. So basically you will be able to access the settings and do a lot of things inside it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.